the box, guys? That's my question. Well, let me give you a hint. So whenever I unboxed that Xbox 360 about a few weeks ago, it got the red ring of death. So, you know what it is. It is a new one. Yay. And with a little storage of games, Left 4 Dead and Forza Horizon 2. And a controller. And this. And a year guarantee. This is my controller. Wow. It's, oh my god. It's like, it smells weird. It's like somebody put soda on it, but whatever. Let's see if the discs are actually in it. This is in it. Of course, I'm gonna cry. Oh, and it's in a little bag. Whatever. So, let's unbox this now. Alright, so really what's happening is, oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I opened this up, and so what happened is I got these you're supposed to put in your controller, open it up, and then charge it in this docking station. Next, let's go to the console. Yeah. Freaking god. Whatever. Then I need that part. Huh? I don't know. This is so hard. Okay. I got that out of the way. Now I can open this up. We got another controller. This is a good controller. This is what I call a good controller, because it's actually pretty decent. Then we get the hard drive, or the plug-in device, the hard drive, and the console. Yeah. Woo! So this is the Xbox 360 Slim. I'm gonna have a good time playing with this. And yeah, guys. Woo. Bye.